Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I hope you're all doing very well. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to switch from your local storage to S3 storage in Laravel. And this is going to be a quick tutorial, so let's get started. So I have this script here, which basically it's a PHP script where in Laravel it has a form and it accepts upload files, and then I have a handler setup which basically takes the file and uploads it into the local storage. Local storage in this case would be local. If you go to config slash file system, you can see here that the local the default is set as a local. So let's say if I upload an image, so let's say this one. Okay, it's uploaded. So this is my root Laravel directory. So if I go to storage and then app and then images, I can see the image I uploaded. So by default, it's set to the local. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy this constant here, and we're going to open our env file, environment file, and then paste it here. And basically you can set it to anything, anything that you have the option for. For example, here you have a bunch of different disks. You have local, you have public, you have S3. So in my case, I'm going to store it in S3. So let's say S3, and then let's keep it here above this. Okay, so now we have set up this. Let me restart my server. Okay, so now the next thing we have to do is we have to plug in the details for the bucket. So let me create a bucket now. So you go to your AWS console, and then you search for the S3. Okay, and then I'm going to create a bucket here. I'm going to call my bucket a test bucket, and I'm going to save it in Ireland. And in this case, I'm going to uncheck all of these boxes. That means the bucket is going to be accessible for anyone. So make sure that if you want to secure your bucket, put the appropriate permissions there. So I'm going to accept the acknowledgements, and let's create a bucket. Oh, it's saying you cannot create a bucket with underscore, so I'll just put some random numbers here. Okay, so it got created. So let me copy my bucket's name. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is we have to create an IAM account. So let's go here, click on users, add new user. I'm going to say test S3 account. And then what we want to do is enable the programmatic access. So this will create an access token and access key in order to plug it in. So after that, you click on the attach existing policies directly, and then you search for S3. So we're going to search for S3. So what the policy we are looking to attach is called Amazon S3 full access. What this is going to do is going to give this user access to S3 fully. And again, if you want to be more secure, you can set up your user with a certain permissions or certain policies. I'm not going to get into details about that right now, but let me just check on this. And then click tags. You can leave that empty. Okay, so now we have created the user. I would suggest to download the CSV file, and at the same time you can you can copy the access key from here as well. So I'm going to copy the access key from here, and access key and the secret. Okay, so let me save this. The last thing we have to do is set the default region. For region, I'll just go back to S3. The one I have was this one, EU West 1. Okay, so let me restart my server again. It's important to restart your serve because it's going to take the environment details again once you restart it. Okay, so let me go to the bucket itself. So now we can see that there's nothing here right now. So let me upload a file, the same file here. Oh, there's an error. So there's one more step that I have to do, which is I have to go to the terminal. So I have to install this library, which is a prerequisite for hosting the files in S3. So you're going to write composer require, and it's this path. I'm going to put this in the description so you can type the exact command, and let me run this. So as it's going on, just let me recap what we have to do. We have to switch the file system driver to S3, and then we have to plug in the bucket details with secret key and access key and everything. And then we have to install this library in order to make it work. Now if I serve it, hopefully it will work. So let me go back to the form itself and select the file and upload it. And now it's uploaded. So let's go to the S3 and refresh our area. And if I go here and click here, it's not even though it's uploaded, but it's not accessible. So one thing we can do, which is by default make the files available and public. So we can go to the file system here, and we can add another key here called visibility. You can just copy from here. Okay, and now if I'm going to upload the file again, it's uploaded. Let me go back. Now as you can see, there's two files now. So this one is the latest one. Let me open it, and as you can see, it got uploaded. So yeah, this you have in total 4 steps, one additional one if you want to make all the files public by default. So yeah, this has been my quick tutorial on how to switch the local storage to S3, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video if it helped you in any way, and thank you.